Welcome back to Nurture Wellness Daily. Today, we're diving into something powerful. Soursop. Ever heard of it? It's an amazing tropical fruit with incredible health benefits. We're talking boosting your immune system, fighting inflammation, and even some research on its potential for serious conditions. Most people have no idea how amazing this fruit is. That's why I'm breaking down 10 jaw-dropping health benefits of soursop. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. First things first, let's talk about your immune system, your body's ultimate bodyguard. Soursop is packed with vitamin C, boosting your immune cells. Plus, antioxidants like quercetin act like ninjas fighting cell damage. A stronger immune system means you're less likely to get colds, flu, or allergies. Look, we all deal with stress. It's a part of life. Soursop can help manage stress and anxiety naturally. The leaves contain compounds that work with serotonin in your brain. Serotonin regulates your mood and keeps you balanced. Incorporating soursop could be like giving your brain a vacation from stress. Staying hydrated is crucial for your health, and soursop is nature's perfect hydration solution. The pulp is over 80% water, like drinking a tall glass of H2O, with benefits. Better digestion, glowing skin, more energy, all from hydration. Ditch the sugary sports drinks and reach for soursop instead. We are all glued to our screens these days, which can harm our eye health. Soursop is rich in lutein, a powerful antioxidant for your eyes. It shields against vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. Add soursop to your diet for healthy eyes. We're constantly bombarded by bacteria, and while not all bacteria are bad, some can wreak havoc on our health. Soursop has natural antimicrobial properties that help keep harmful bacteria in check. Studies show soursop combats bacteria causing dental problems, yeast infections, and serious illnesses like cholera. It's like having a natural defense against these invaders. High blood pressure is a silent killer, but soursop might be the natural remedy you need. It's loaded with potassium, a mineral that helps your body get rid of excess sodium, which can raise blood pressure. Plus, potassium helps relax your blood vessels, making it easier for your blood to flow freely. This means a happier, healthier heart. Digestion is essential for overall health. Struggling with constipation, soursop can help. It's rich in water and fiber, keeping your digestive system smooth. Chronic inflammation is a major culprit behind many health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. Soursop contains powerful antioxidants and compounds like alkaloids and phenols that calm inflammation. By reducing inflammation, soursop creates an environment where healing can happen more effectively. It's like hitting the reset button on your health. Managing blood sugar is crucial, especially for people with diabetes or those at risk. Soursop's antioxidants help protect pancreatic cells that produce insulin. It can also slow sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. Balance is key. Early studies on soursop show promising results in cancer research. Extracts from soursop may be more potent than traditional chemotherapy in fighting certain cancer cells. Soursop's compounds target and destroy cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. This ongoing research is definitely exciting. So, there you have it. 10 incredible health benefits of soursop that prove this fruit is more than just a pretty face. From boosting your immune system and fighting inflammation to its potential in serious conditions like cancer, soursop is a true powerhouse of nature. Give it a try yourself. Incorporate soursop into your diet and see the difference it can make in your health. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on living your healthiest life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed.